with another video, Cooking with Janae. We are about to make some fried chicken today. So first, I want to tell y'all some of the items that you will need. You're going to need some flour, vegetable oil, chicken that we marinated. You know, some people can do it overnight, but I did it for most of the day while I was at the gym. We got our garlic powder, the seasoning that I swear by, adobo. We got our onion powder, black pepper, and paprika. And we are putting all these items in the flour. So, let me show y'all. I got these 5 legs that we're about to use real quick. So I seasoned them all good and everything. And we got our pan that we about to fry in. So let's get started. Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So I'm going to take this flour, put it in this bowl. Make sure you have enough so you can really coat all your chicken pieces. If you got wings, you got legs, you can use whatever your preference is. And we're going to season this flour real quick. So first I'm going to wash my hands and we're going to get right back to this. All right, hands washed, because you know we can't be serving no chicken or any foods to anybody, our family, friends, anybody with some dirty hands. So flour in the bowl and we're about to get right into it. So I'm going to just season, like no measurements, just put some paprika in here. Okay, and just go right along with all the seasonings of choice that you want to dip your pieces in your flour with. I'm a fan of a lot of pepper. Like some people are a fan of like a lot of salt, but more so for me it is the pepper. Onion powder, garlic powder, and last but not least our adobo. Stir all that around. Okay, I'm not going to be having no, I'm going to do this like my grandma. You know, last time I made this on my other channel, did it with the hot sauce, the egg, and the water mixture. Now today we are just dipping it right into the flour and into the oil. So we're gonna put the flour over to the side and get this pan so you can heat it up. You want it to at least 350. So put your oil in and get it as hot as you can. You gotta make sure you got one of your tongs so you can flip. All right, you guys, so I had to pop on some gloves real quick so I can put the chicken into the flour. But some people do the method for the chicken the grease with the water, but I ain't trying to have nothing splash onto me. So all you gotta do, and I learned this not too long ago, is take a wooden spoon, get the bottom of it, put it in your oil, and when you start seeing boil, like little bubbles going around your wooden spoon, it is ready to put the chicken in there. So it's like a few bubbles, not quite where I want it to be at just yet. So while it is doing its thing, trying to still heat up to that 350 we're looking for, then let's go ahead and coat this flour with the chicken. And you can use one hand to, you know, put your flour all over it, and then the other hand to put it into, you know, submerge it into your grease. So I'm probably going to be able to put 4 in at a time, probably not the whole 5. If you want to do a 5, you might want to put like a bigger pan, or if you happen to have a iron skillet, you can use an iron skillet, because you know iron skillets make sure that you can coat all the chicken even. I just didn't bring mine out, but this pan should be sufficient enough. So let's go ahead and try the wooden spoon again. Oh yeah, it's definitely way more bubbles. So it'll be ready by the time I get all these pieces coated. Y'all, fried chicken is one of the easiest things that you can make for your family. You just gotta make sure you cook it slow and long enough so that it's not pink in the middle, and you get it all the way cooked. And even like a tip for you guys too that could make it so that your cooking with it would be even better is make sure you pull out your chicken and get it at room temperature. I didn't do that today, but that's something else that I've learned along the way that I know makes sure that your chicken can be coated and nicely golden and good. So we're on our 3rd piece right now. We're about to put this 4th piece in the flour and get it going. And you're gonna shake the loose flour off of it after you coat it real nicely. You hear that nice sizzle that I love? And you let it cook slow, and we'll just keep monitoring it. Over. Y'all, the goal is to let it cook slow. Do not rush this process. Do not have no raw meat being given. You do not want to bite into no raw meat. Try to space them out, but give them enough room. But we might be able to put all 5 in them all at the same time. Uh-oh, you guys. Uh-oh. Check the pan out. I just knew I didn't get a big enough pan out, but we can do it all together. So we're going to have the tongs to help us flip. So what I say, you guys, clean as you go. So we're going to get these seasonings out the way, and we're just going to let it do its thing. even put the timer on. So it's probably been about 2 minutes. Alright, you guys, it's been on medium high for 8 to 10 minutes, so we can flip the others around now and have it on for 8 to 10 minutes. See how golden that looks, that's how you want it to be. And it's going to pop, so be careful when you guys are flipping it, and be careful when you guys are checking it. And stay tuned to the end result. Alright, you guys, so now that we've had it on this flip on this side for 8 to 10 minutes too, now that we can take it out. And I'm going the old school way. You know, I got the plate with the napkins and everything. You use paper towels. Some people even might have upgraded and have the wire rack. But you definitely want to take it out the grease, because you know, even when you take it off the burner, it's still cooking. So take it off the grease and then let it sit for like a few minutes to cool off before serving. And I'm not going to keep it on this. I'm just, you know, you had it dry, and then you let it do its own thing. Right. So I'm going to move this over. Look how lovely that looks, you guys. So golden. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Alrighty. So you take you another one, and you take the top part, you let it dry. Got that nice grease. From it. You can even put it onto a different plate. And voila. This is how it looks, you guys. Fried chicken. Quick and easy fried chicken. Alright, you guys. I'm pretty sure that it's lovely. It's too hot for me to taste, but I know that if y'all follow what I say, y'all chicken should turn out just the way mine did. So I hope you guys have a nice day, evening, wherever you at. Thank you for joining me today in Cooking with Janae, and until next time with another video. Peace and love.